What's up guys? For this video I wanted to do something really quick. This is a new bag and I'm really picky about my bags, but I think this one was a really good one worth checking out. It was on Amazon. The brand name is Tzowla. Alright, I'm gonna start from the front to the back. So right here is a small little pocket. Most bags have like a small pocket. There's another zipper behind it, which has this. It's pretty interesting. It's like you could lock it. You could lock, like, got my little AirPods. Just hook it on, lock it in place. Just got it dangling in there. Oh, this is for the lock at the top of the bag. Oh shit. And there's also a USB charging port. What? Whoa. I think like the front part is like pretty standard right here. The pockets, like two pencil pockets, and it has like somewhat normal pockets for like a phone or whatever. And then yeah, nothing crazy. It has pocket in the front toward, it's like hanging on the top side of it for like, also for like a phone or a charger. And especially with this one, since it has like a charging feature, I think that's a really useful place for your charging cables. It has a laptop sleeve, as most bags should now. So this is the cool part. It has a charging cable, so it has an aux cable, which is a little bit outdated. I wouldn't buy it for the aux cable. So it has a USB port, which would connect into the portable charger, and then it'll come out the side of the bag, which is pretty cool. Woo! And then the aux, not too special or useful in this Bluetooth age. Alright, and then the last cool feature is, oh, there's two more cool features actually. One of them is this lock. So you could, right now the password is 000, and you just push this thing in, and then you slide. So you put the zipper, the zipper pulley things, and then you put it in, it locks. You can change the numbers up. And then, this is good for me actually. When I fall asleep on the subway, I don't have to be like don't steal my stuff. Like I could just have it out, because you know, no one's gonna steal it. Unless they cut my bag open, which would be bad. Oh, and then the last cool thing is this little strap over here. So this is for luggage. I think that's amazing, because a lot of the time, like if you're carrying multiple bags or you don't want stuff on your shoulder, you could just hook this over a luggage and you could just pull the bag with your luggage, which is so helpful. For its price and what it has to offer, I think it's a great bag to invest in. If you're looking for like a cheap bag that you could use anywhere. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another video next week. Peace.